Okay, in 178 days, 15 hours, 45 minutes, and 33 seconds, I'm going to be live on Colorado Plays' Twitch channel doing a live stream for Extra Life. Now you can see this countdown timer on Colorado Plays' website on the bottom right hand side. It's a widget that counts down any time that I want. Now a countdown timer is great if you're going to show something like a sale. This works perfect for e-commerce sites, or if you're announcing a book publication, or even if you're gaming for charity. I'm Mike with WriterSanctuary, and today I want to show you how to add a free countdown widget to WordPress. Now, countdown timer works great in marketing because it builds hype. In fact, I notice a big difference when I schedule my live stream to happen on YouTube ahead of time, and it has the countdown timer on it. And a countdown timer also taps into the fear of missing out. Okay, let's get started installing our countdown timer in WordPress. Now for this tutorial, we're going to be using Countdown Timer Ultimate. So we're going to go to Plugins, we're going to hit Add New, then we're going to look for Countdown Timer Ultimate, install, and activate. The next screen that comes up is a thing that we can opt in, but it doesn't really matter. It's just for email notifications, and it'll be sent directly to the email address you use in WordPress. I'm just going to skip it for now. Now it'll take us to the WP Countdown Timer screen. Now to create a timer, we just hit Add Timer here at the top. And here we put in all of our settings. So let's give our timer a name. Let's say that I'm going to publish my book. Okay, so let's set our expiration date. Click on there. We hit, I'm going to say in 2 weeks, so on the 24th we'll be live. And the time, we're going to adjust it with the bar here. We'll say at 7. Yeah, let's do it at 6 a.m. So it'll be 6 a.m. Hit done. Hit animation type, you choose between smooth and text. I'm going to leave it on smooth for now. The circle width depends on the circle you want to use. You can decide how thick you want the wheel. You can always come back in here and make changes if you want, depending on what it looks like. So I'm going to leave it as default for now. Same with the background. Here we can put in the number of pixels for our countdown width. We're going to leave it as default. The background color, we can choose anything from hexadecimal. So there's a huge swath of ideas, but I'm going to leave it as clear. Okay, so the foreground color, I'm going to go ahead and make the first one. This is for the days. So we're going to say I want a dark green. Then we go to hours. I want to say I want it to be a little bit lighter. And then minutes. I think I'll go lighter still. And seconds, I want to make it something weird. I'll go with red. I think it says seconds like a blood red icon. Okay, then we scroll up here and we hit publish. Okay, so what this does is that it creates our countdown timer using a shortcode. And shortcodes you can use pretty much anywhere in WordPress. You got pages, posts, even the sidebar. So we're going to create a widget out of it. So in order to do that, we're going to go to the countdown timer main screen. We're going to copy this shortcode because that's the shortcode for our timer. Then we're going to go to appearance, go to widgets. We're going to drag and drop a text widget. We grab this guy and we'll put him in the right sidebar right about there. And I'm not going to title it. I'm just going to go ahead and add the shortcode. Scroll down, hit save. And there we go. Now we should have a widget. So let's take a look. Go to our site to visit. It's our testing site, and now I have my widget. 12 days, 15 hours, 35 minutes, and 56 seconds. So what do we want to give it a little bit of a title so that people know what the widget is for in the sidebar? Well, we can go ahead and put in a title here. When does the ebook come out? We hit save. We go back to our home page, reload it, bam. And this is all from the theme. It's theme specific, so anytime you put in a title, the look of it will actually depend on what kind of theme you're using. Okay, so what else can we do in the widget? Well, since it's a shortcode, we can actually add text before it. And then we hit save. And we can go back to our page. refresh it, and now we've got text. When does the ebook come out? It gives a timer, reserve your copy today. Here you can add in buttons, buy now buttons, links to whatever you want. On Colorado Plays' website, you can see that we actually have the link to our Twitch account and the Extra Life page. So you can add all kinds of details for your widget. And because it does use a shortcode, you can use it pretty much in WordPress anywhere you want. So like if you wanted to put it in your about page or your contact form, or if you have WooCommerce installed, you can add it to product descriptions. There's a slew of custom post types that you can create, and you just drop that in wherever you want. There is a pro version of the tool available that will give you a bunch more options, but you really don't need it if you're just looking for something basic. And this is probably one of the most basic countdown timers for WordPress that you can come across. But this one serves its purpose and works great and looks good on the website. I kind of like the idea of being able to change the different colors of the circles and their thickness, so it kind of fits the theme. Like in Colorado Plays is red, blue, and yellow, which is our colors of our state flag. And then the purple is just my color, purple. So how will you use your countdown timer? I think I've used the countdown timer every year on Colorado Plays since I started the website back in 2015 to announce when we go on Extra Life. But there's all kinds of things you can do with it. I want to kind of do one for my ebook and the when I publish my first book, but I don't know when that's going to happen. So I don't want to like set a timer for something that may or may not happen. I don't know. I'll figure it out. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. For more videos about WordPress, blogging, freelance writing, or anything else I cover, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I think it's going to do it for me today, and I'll see you next time.